Hey guys, today I want to touch on the difference between a saved search and an automated email. So as you see, I am in Matrix right now. You can see the search criteria. We can scroll over for price points and all of that. You will see at the top under My Matrix an auto email feature and a saved search feature. Two very different features. Saved searches, literally you set up a search in here, you save it, and it just saves to your MLS. It doesn't notify anybody automatically. It doesn't send out automatic updates for buyers. It's just a search for you to reference in your Matrix account. Whereas auto emails automatically send the buyer or whoever your client is real-time notifications when a property gets listed in their criteria. So let's set up a search. We'll do a basic search right now for under 200,000. And we'll just do Canandaigua schools and Victor schools. We're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to go to results. You can see there's 24 results. This is just indicative of the current inventory, how there's nothing available. You can click save. This is important. At this point, whether you're setting up an auto email or a saved search, you click save. Now you can see new saved search, which again, doesn't notify anybody, but just keeps it as a search in your Matrix account, your MLS account, or new auto email. So if you want, you can do a new saved search. If you're just trying to get an idea of what's on the market, say you're just trying to find out where you live, your local neighborhood, what is happening on a regular basis, how comps are looking, and you just want to save the search for down the road to reference, but you don't need the automated emails. You go right in here, you type test one, Canandaigua Victor search, contact, we'll do Jacqueline Crane. Let me find me. Crane, Jacqueline. And then we just click save. I already saved that, so I'll do test two. So we click save. That gives me a search that I can now reference down the road. If I have a bunch of buyers who are looking in Canandaigua Victor schools under 200,000, I can constantly go in and check that. Now, if you want to then make it into a new auto email, you click new auto email. You go, you find the contact. So let's look for my name, Crane, Jacqueline. And then we put in the subject, test two, and then you have a welcome email. A lot of times in this area, I like to put in here, I like to tell the client, I have used the following search criteria. Under 200,000, Canandaigua and Victor schools. And I like to tell them, let me know if you want me to tweak anything. It's easy to do. The worst situation is when your client reaches out to you with a Zillow listing and says, hey, I want to get into this one. And you wonder, well, why didn't my search yield that result? So we want them to know the criteria are easy to change. If they're constantly jumping all over Zillow or Realtor, changing their criteria, keep it as loose as possible and let them know you can always change it up easily so that they're sticking to your automated search as the go-to. Then this is also very important. Make sure you choose ASAP. And you can talk to your client about this. This means that anytime something gets listed in this criteria, into the MLS, it blasts out automatically immediately. So it doesn't wait, it just automatically and immediately goes to your client. If they're just getting overloaded with emails and you talk to them and they say, I want it daily, you can choose daily or you can choose monthly. It by default sets to daily, but if your clients want it immediately, make sure you check ASAP. Then you click save. And now you have a saved search set up. So those are the two differences. Another thing that you can do that I want to point out is when you go to my saved searches, you can turn any saved search into an auto email. So if you go to a saved search, right up at the top, remember it's under saved searches, and you click on any one of these and you go to settings, you can save and you can set it up by going, oh, I think it's under criteria. Well, maybe you can't. It's not letting me right now, but usually you can set up a saved search. Oh, here it is right here. Turn this saved search into an auto email right at the top. So if I go again into my saved searches, and then I click on any one of these saved searches and I click on settings right at the top here, turn this saved search into an auto email. Again, it will take you right to that page we were at originally with the other auto emails, and you can set it up that way. So the main points here and the parts to drive home are that saved searches only save to your MLS. They don't notify anybody automatically via email. Auto emails automatically send instant real-time listing updates to your clients and you. If you like to be CC, you can always CC, you will get them automatically, but you can CC in other agents or other people. Maybe you're working with another agent to help find this, you know, in the office to help find this buyer house, and you can CC them in on this email. So let me know if you have any questions about any of this, and feel free to reach out with any other questions you may have in the meantime as well. We'll talk to you guys soon.